Welcome to the AUTEL SkyApp Tutorials. With one-click quick shot, you can get cinematic footage easily. Enter app and go to quick shot. Flick. Tap the arrow at the bottom of the screen and tap the plus icon on the target, or frame the object directly with your finger. Tap Go to start shooting. The aircraft will automatically fly and record video. Then return to the starting point after shooting is complete. Fade away. Frame the subject directly with your finger. Tap Go to start shooting. The camera will center on the subject, the aircraft will ascend and fly backward. Then it will return to the starting point after shooting. Rocket. Frame the subject by selecting them on screen. Tap Go to start shooting. The camera will point downward for top-down shooting. The aircraft will ascend vertically and will return to the starting point after shooting is finished. Orbit. Set the orbit direction and select the subject. Tap Go to start shooting. The aircraft will shoot while circling around the subject, then will return to the starting point when complete. After shooting, click the album to view footage. Select Download to download to a mobile device. Use Theme to make a film by selecting the icon in the lower right corner. The app will automatically put together a short film. Thank you for watching.